Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn about the minors and the cofactors of a matrix. Okay, let us take again this will be done only for a square matrix. Okay, and it will start from 2 by 2. So let us say 1, 2, 3, 4. I have taken a 2 by 2 matrix. What we will do? We will first find minors. Okay, now minor is basically what? I am writing it as M11, right? What is M11? Means the minor of the first element. Every element has its minors, so it will have. So M11 is what? Minor of this first element. So just like we have got the values of matrix by leaving out the rows and the columns, here also we will do the same thing. So just leave out first row and first column. Just leave, right? What is left? 4. Write it like this. So M11 is equal to what? 4. Similarly, if we write M12, what is M12? M12 is basically minor of my this element, first row and second column. So in this case, what we will do? We will remove this first row and second column. What is left? 3. What is my M21? M21 means this element. What we will do? We will remove this row, this column and this row. What is left? 2. Last one, M22. Simple. What I am doing, whichever element I am taking, I am just leaving out that row and that column, and whatever left is there, I am writing over here. Correct? So for M11, I am leaving the first row and first column. Only 4 was left, so I had 4. For M12, first row, second column, only 3 was left. For M21, my first column, second row. M22, second row, second column, 1 is left. Clear about minors for 2 by 2 matrix? Okay. Now let's understand the cofactors. The cofactors C11. Okay. So basically, cofactor has a formula. Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j Mij. Okay, just understand this formula. This Mij is what? The minor. Okay, and Cij is my cofactor, and there is another factor which is known as minus 1 raised to power I plus j. Let us see how calculate. C11 is basically what? Minus 1 raised to power I is my 1, j is also my 1. So 1 plus 1, M11. Right? So what is this? Minus 1 raised to power 2 will become plus 1. So it will be plus, what is M11? It is 4. So C11 is simple as M11. No change. Okay? Let us see C12. C12 will become minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12. Now minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. So, and M12 is 3. Minus 3. C21, 2 plus 1. Right? It will happen minus 2. C22, M22 will give you what? Plus 1. Right? So remember this formula for cofactor. We will use it in 3 by 3 also. Okay? Clear about minors and cofactors of 2 by 2? So minor is basically what? Whichever element I am taking, I am just leaving out that row and that column, and whatever element is left out, I am writing that. And for Cij, for cofactor, I am writing a formula minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So basically cofactor is nothing but just putting a sign, and sign will depend on I and j. Correct? Now let us do it for 3 by 3. Let's say my 3 by 3 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is my M11? M1 will be, I am leaving first row and first column. What is left? 5, 6, 8, 9. Write it like this. 5, 6, 8, 9. Now we know how to calculate the value of this, which is what? Which is minus 3. So M11 is minus 3. If you practice, you don't need to write it like this. You will directly write the value of M11. What will my C11? Using that formula, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, which is similar to minus 3. Same. C11 will be equal to M11. Now, again, what is my M12? M12 means minor of this element. So what I will do, I will just remove this row and this column. Okay, what will be left? 4, 6, 7, 9. Value of it is minus 6. What will my C12? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M1, which is minus 1 multiplied by 6. Simple. So this way we can find other minors also. Suppose we need to find minus of this. What is this element? Second row, third column. So it is M, second row, third column. M23. M23 will be, remove this and this column, this row, right? What is left? 1, 2, 7, 8. Right? Similarly, we can find out C23 also. It will be 6. Whenever the sum is odd, just reverse the sign of minus. Okay. If the sum is even, same sign. Sum is odd, reverse the sign. So, understand this thing? Okay. Now we will learn about cofactor matrix. And another thing which is adjoint of a matrix. Very important. Okay. We know how to find the cofactors, right? So if we write all the cofactors, C11, C12, C13, I am taking as 3 by 3 matrix, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32. What is this called as? This is called as my cofactor matrix. This is my right. Cofactors we will calculate like we did this. Okay, for C11 minus 1 raised to power I plus j M11, and we will find out all the cofactors and put it like this. This is known as my cofactor matrix. If I make a transpose of this, means converting rows into columns. Okay, so basically what? It is denoted by C. So what is this? C transpose of C. This is known as my adjoint of a matrix. Okay, so if a question comes, to find the adjoint of a matrix, what you will do? You will first find out all the cofactors, put it in like this cofactor matrix, and then make a transpose. For 2 by 2, what will happen? C11, C12, C21, C22. This will be my cofactor matrix, and then making a transpose to this C11, C12, C21, C22. This will be my adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. Clear? Okay, let us understand the properties of adjoint. We have some properties. First one is, suppose A is my matrix. Suppose A is my matrix. So the first property will be let us take A and B two matrices. First property will be that if you multiply A to adjoint A, or just write it reverse, adjoint A multiply by A, you will get mod A multiply by identity matrix. This N is basically what? The order of A matrix. Okay. So if A and B, A is a square matrix. Suppose A is a square matrix, then what you can say? A multiplied by adjoint A is equal to adjoint A multiplied by A, which is equal to what? Mod A multiplied by identity matrix. A is what? My square matrix. Okay. The second property is that if you want to find adjoint of A, value of adjoint A, right? Determinant. What is this? This is my mod A n minus 1. Mod A is basically what? Value of the matrix A, or you can say determinant A. What is my n? N is my order of the square matrix A. Okay, if order is 3 by 3, then suppose for 3 by 3 matrix, my n is what? 3. So adjoint A is equal to mod A square. Right? My third property is adjoint AB. What is AB? AB is basically the multiplication of two matrices. Suppose we want to find the adjoint of a multiplication, right? So will be adjoint B multiply by adjoint A. Just reverse the multiplication order, right? So adjoint AB is equal to what? Adjoint B multiply by adjoint A. So these are the three properties of adjoint.